Start by making sure that the saw is off. Then remove the saw cover. Flip this lever up and remove the guard/dust collector. Next, use wrenches to loosen up the nut holding the saw blade on and remove the nut and washer carefully by hand. Carefully remove the saw blade and set it aside. Flip up and remove the key from inside the brake and wiggle out the brake. You're supposed to put the larger brake in first, but I forgot and learned that it is still possible to put the brake in with a blade in already. Once the brake is in, you just need to put the key in and it only goes in one position. And flip it down once it's in to lock the brake in. To install the Dado blade, one of the outside blades will need to go in first. It should also say outer blade on the blade. It is very important that all the teeth spin the right way, towards me in this case, or else they won't cut anything. I just slide in the inner blades and stagger them a bit so that they cut evenly. You can also use spacer discs to make a bigger Dado blade. For a Dado blade, you don't normally need the washer just because the nut might not have enough room to fit. Since we aren't using the guard/dust collector, I locked the clamp so that it doesn't hit the cover. Next, using the blade spacement adjustment gauge, I made sure that the blade is the right distance from the brake. And finally, I put the cover back on, and now there's a Dado blade in there.
And I'm sure this is the part where I'm supposed to beg you to like and subscribe and all that, yada yada. Do it if you want, don't if you don't.